My name is Victoria Stevens, known as Vicky and also Vix. Confidence-wise, I've always struggled all my life, mainly because I was bullied from a young age. I took the decision to get out of where I was to come up to here. And just the past 2 years, despite everything going on with me, it's been a turnaround 2 years. And I wouldn't have done that if it wasn't for the encouragement and confidence provided by the community navigators.
I'm Gail Devine. I'm Community Navigator Team Leader working for BAVO, Bridgend Association of Voluntary Organisations. We're really there to improve people's wellbeing through making connections in their community, so we can meet people and have referrals from anywhere, and we'll have a chat to see how we can improve their well-being and their lives a little bit. We're trying to get people less isolated, more connected. So it could be anything from where do I get my shopping, all the way through to, I've got a low mood or I've got a chronic condition, I need a bit more support in the community from people around me.
With my learning disabilities and stuff like that, I struggle a lot. The community navigators have been there where I needed to be there, and they've been like a message away if I needed to contact them for anything.
In Vicky's circumstances, it was really about her mother being concerned about her and how she was coping, and just having that contact with somebody to have a talk with, even if it's a text message with a quick question or some support with accessing food, and knowing that somebody's there.
Having that now, it's reassuring, and going forward I can go, right, well, if I do get any bumps in the road, I can go, right, you've always got the community navigators in the background. If you get stuck, go back to them and they will just help you out.
Helping people like Vicky is really what we're here to do. That intervention, that little bit of work with somebody, improve their lives and see them go off then to make better connections, and then probably help other people as well, or make new friends, that sort of thing. That's why we do the job, really.
If somebody needs help, I would encourage people to use BAVO, because what they've done for me has changed my life. Even if it's a little tiny bit, it will change your life, and they will do their utmost to help you.